The wheel is attached to the end of the drive shaft. To minimize weight, aluminum alloys and other lightweight alloys are often used for their construction. The tire attaches to the outside of the wheel, and each wheel's footprint is about the size of a postcard. The contact patch transmits the power from the engine to the road. The outer layer of a tire is made of hard rubber, strong enough to carry the weight of the vehicle. Although air-filled tube tires were common in the past, tubeless tires have become the current standard. For maximum drivability, braking performance, and handling, the tires must maintain good contact with the road under various conditions. Springs absorb bumps from the road, and arms and suspension links control the wheel's motion. These components make up the suspension system that links the tires to the body and helps to achieve optimal contact with the road. A monocoque car is equipped with a subframe or crossmember, a separate structure that attaches to the body. To compensate for monocoque's vulnerability against concentrated impact, the subframe provides a critical link between the suspension and the body. In addition, the suspension controls the movement of the body, absorbing bumps and shocks from the road and creating a comfortable ride. The strut type is most commonly used for the front wheels, as its design avoids interfering with the engine and surrounding parts. Other types include the wishbone, which is ideal for enhanced ride quality. In the rear, different types are used for FF and FR. For FFs, a simple torsion beam suspension or a strut type. For FRs, the lightweight and sporty wishbone or its improved version, the high-performance multi-link type. In a suspension mechanism, springs and shock absorbers dampen the movement between the wheels and the body. The springs absorb the impact, and the shock absorbers quickly dissipate the energy to restore stability. The connectors on the suspension links and rods are equipped with rubber bushings to absorb shocks and vibrations. The hardness and shape of the rubber bushings can determine the spring's deflection, which in turn affects the performance of the suspension. In another type of suspension called the active or adaptive suspension, an onboard computer controls the mechanism by detecting road conditions and body movement. Types of active suspensions include the hydraulic actuated and the electronically controlled air suspension.